In this video, we're going to be talking about how to do local SEO for hotels and how to immediately rank your hotel business on Google without a website, right? So without further ado, let's just dive right into it. Local SEO for hotels, how to immediately rank your hotel business on Google without a website. So here's what you don't need in order to rank your hotel business on Google. You don't need a website, you don't need keyword research, and you don't need to do any keyword research. You don't need a blog page, and you don't even need a social media profile. So all you need is an internet connection, which I assume you have if you're watching this video, your hotel details, and all the contact information, and thirdly, a Google account. So pretty simple and straightforward, right? So how do you actually promote your hotel on Google without a website? How can you start getting discovered straight away? So you register your hotel for a Google business profile. That is how you do it. So how do you do it? Let's do it together. That's the reason why I'm making this video, right? So if I can exit out and I can go to maps.google.com, which is Google Maps. What you want to do is you want to click on the three dots right here. If I can zoom in, just like that. Click on those three dots. You want to scroll down, and then when you see add your business, you want to do that. Click on that. It's going to take you to business.google.com, and you're going to fill in your business name. So for example, I'm going to fill in Hotel ABC. Click continue. What you want to choose is a local store because people are going to visit your business, right? And business category, of course, we're a hotel. Going to select that. Click on next. And then entering my business address. I'm going to select a random address just like that. Click on next. Now it's going to show you a couple of businesses that already exist, but in our case, since it doesn't exist yet, we're going to click none of these and click next. And then now it's asking what contact details you want to show to your customers. So do you want a way for customers to contact you? You can always come back to this, but for now I can click next or skip. Then putting your business on the map. I want to click on continue, of course. And then it's going to ask us to verify that we own this business, right? So what we're going to do is, right now, you might want to record a video of your business. But I'm going to probably verify later if I'm able to do this. Just for demonstration purposes, right? You can add your business hours. Again, you can always come back to this later and edit this. I'm just going to click skip. Adding photos of your business as well. I'm going to click skip as well. So basically all the basic information that you need to fill in order for your hotel to show in Google. So yeah, as you can see here, stand out from the competition is asking us to run Google Ads, but that is another video for another day. For now, let's just click on skip. Adding custom domains, I can also skip on this. And then your edits will be visible once you are verified. And that is pretty much the last step that you want to do. So basically with a few clicks, you're able to set up your business on Google. So Hotel ABC, not publicly visible. This is because you need to get verified first in order for them to find you on Google, right? So what you want to do is to just get verified, and then you're ready to go. So that's basically it. What you want to do is to just register for a Google business profile. And it's pretty straightforward. You don't need a website. You don't need a social media profile. You don't need to do anything. What you only need to do is actually some details about your hotel and a Google account in order to add your business on Google. If you found this video helpful and want to know more about how you can grow your hotel business, either you're an independent hotel or boutique hotel or family hotel business, we actually have a free masterclass course, which is going to be a link right below this video. So if you want to check it out, it's going to be linked right down below. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.